If you're here, you've probably been feeling the burden of kidney problems, and you're not alone. Whether it's fatigue, swelling, or even chronic kidney disease, your kidneys play a crucial role in keeping your body healthy. From filtering toxins out of your blood to regulating fluid balance, when they don't function properly, it affects your entire life. Imagine being able to cleanse and repair your kidneys naturally, right from your own home. What if you could use the healing power of nature to support your kidney health without relying solely on medications or invasive treatments? Today, we're going to reveal 6 incredible herbal teas that have been used for centuries to support kidney repair and detoxification. Herbal teas are more than just soothing beverages. They're packed with natural compounds that can aid in healing and rejuvenating your kidneys. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the world of herbal remedies that will not only support your kidney function, but also enhance your overall well-being. Let's get started. 1. Nettle leaf tea. First up on our list is nettle leaf tea, one of the most powerful herbal remedies for kidney health. Nettle has been used for centuries as a diuretic, which means it helps your body eliminate excess fluids and toxins. This is particularly important for kidney health, as your kidney's primary role is to filter waste and remove excess fluid from the bloodstream. Why nettle leaf tea is essential for kidney repair. Nettle tea works as a natural diuretic, encouraging your kidneys to flush out toxins and waste. This is critical for people suffering from kidney issues, as it helps reduce the workload on the kidneys by promoting better waste removal. Anti-inflammatory properties. Nettle tea is rich in compounds that reduce inflammation in the kidneys. This is especially helpful if your kidney problems are caused by inflammation or autoimmune issues, as it calms the immune response that may be attacking your kidneys. High in antioxidants. Nettle tea is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the leading causes of kidney damage, as it accelerates the aging process of kidney cells. How to prepare nettle tea. Making nettle tea is incredibly easy. You can find dried nettle leaves at most health food stores, or you can grow your own. Simply steep 1 tablespoon of dried nettle leaves in boiling water for 10-15 minutes. Drink this tea once or twice a day to reap the kidney cleansing benefits. 2. Dandelion root tea. Next, let's talk about dandelion root tea, another potent herbal tea for kidney repair. You might know dandelion as a pesky weed, but its roots are actually a goldmine for kidney health. Why dandelion root tea is a must for kidney health. Dandelion root is another natural diuretic, which means it helps your kidneys flush out toxins and excess salt from the body. It's also rich in potassium, which is vital for maintaining proper electrolyte balance, something that your kidneys regulate. Supports liver and kidney function. Dandelion root not only cleanses the kidneys, but also supports the liver, which works hand in hand with the kidneys to detoxify your body. When your liver is functioning well, it takes some of the detoxifying load off your kidneys. Prevents kidney stones. One of the standout benefits of dandelion root tea is its ability to prevent kidney stones. The increased urine production from drinking dandelion tea helps flush out small stones and prevents the buildup of minerals that can form larger stones. Anti-inflammatory. Like nettle, dandelion root is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective for reducing kidney inflammation. How to make dandelion root tea. You can buy dried dandelion root from health stores or harvest your own. Just make sure it's pesticide-free. To make the tea, boil 1 tablespoon of dried dandelion root in 2 cups of water for about 15 minutes. Drink this tea daily to keep your kidneys in top shape. 3. Parsley tea. Our third herbal tea for kidney repair is parsley tea. Parsley might be best known as a garnish, but it's also a fantastic remedy for kidney health. This herb is packed with nutrients that promote kidney detoxification and healing. Why parsley tea is great for your kidneys. Parsley tea is another powerful natural diuretic. It increases the amount of urine your body produces, helping your kidneys remove waste and excess salt more efficiently. Rich in vitamins A and C. These vitamins are essential for repairing kidney tissue and protecting your kidneys from oxidative damage. They also support your immune system, which can help prevent infections that might strain the kidneys. Reduces kidney stones. Parsley tea is known for helping to break down small kidney stones. allowing them to be flushed out before they become larger and more problematic. High in chlorophyll, parsley is rich in chlorophyll, a plant compound known for its detoxifying effects. Chlorophyll helps your kidneys filter out toxins and keeps them functioning optimally. How to make parsley tea. To make parsley tea, chop up a handful of fresh parsley leaves and add them to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5–10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can drink parsley tea up to twice a day, especially if you're prone to fluid retention or kidney stones. 4. Corn silk tea. Next on our list is corn silk tea. Corn silk, the shiny fibers found on corn cobs, may seem like an unlikely hero, but it's actually been used in traditional medicine for centuries to support kidney health. How corn silk tea helps your kidneys. Corn silk tea has soothing properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract. This makes it an excellent remedy for anyone dealing with kidney infections or urinary discomfort. Diuretic effects. Corn silk tea gently increases urine production, helping your kidneys flush out toxins without putting too much strain on them. Reduces kidney irritation. Corn silk tea acts as a mild anti-inflammatory, reducing swelling and irritation in the kidneys. This makes it particularly useful for people suffering from urinary tract infections, which can exacerbate kidney issues. Helps control blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage, and corn silk tea can help lower blood pressure naturally by promoting better fluid balance and reducing salt retention. How to make corn silk tea. To make this tea, you'll need to collect corn silk from organic corn or buy dried corn silk from a health store. Boil a handful of corn silk in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes, then strain. Drink this tea up to twice a day for best results. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is another powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. Known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties, ginger has been used in natural medicine for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, including kidney problems. Why ginger tea is great for your kidneys. Ginger tea is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Improves kidney function. Ginger helps improve circulation to the kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. This can be especially helpful if your kidneys are under strain due to inflammation or infection. Protects against kidney damage. Studies have shown that ginger's antioxidant properties can protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to kidney damage over time. Reduces blood sugar levels. High blood sugar can damage the kidneys over time, leading to conditions like diabetic nephropathy. Ginger has been shown to lower blood sugar levels, making it an excellent remedy for people with diabetes or those at risk of kidney damage due to high blood sugar. How to make ginger tea. To make ginger tea, slice a 1–2-inch piece of fresh ginger root and add it to boiling water. Let it simmer for 10–15 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can drink ginger tea once or twice a day to support your kidney health and reduce inflammation. 6. Horsetail tea. Last but not least is horsetail tea, another ancient remedy for kidney health. Horsetail is a plant that's rich in minerals like silica, which supports the repair and regeneration of kidney tissue. How horsetail tea benefits your kidneys. Horsetail is a natural diuretic that helps flush excess fluids and toxins out of the kidneys. It's also known for its ability to help the body heal itself, making it an excellent remedy for anyone dealing with kidney inflammation or damage. Promotes kidney regeneration. Horsetail contains silica, a mineral that plays a key role in tissue repair and regeneration. This helps your kidneys recover from damage and continue to function properly. Reduces urinary tract infections. If you're prone to UTIs, horsetail tea can help by flushing bacteria out of the urinary tract and reducing inflammation in the kidneys. Rich in antioxidants. Horsetail is also packed with antioxidants, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and prevent further damage. How to make horsetail tea. To make horsetail tea, use 1 tablespoon of dried horsetail in boiling water and let it steep for 10–15 minutes. Drink this tea up to twice a day to support kidney repair and healing. So, there you have it. The 6 best herbal teas for kidney repair. Whether you're dealing with chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, or just want to give your kidneys a little extra support, these herbal teas offer powerful natural remedies to help you on your healing journey. Remember, while these teas can be incredibly beneficial, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal remedy, especially if you're dealing with serious health issues. By incorporating these herbal teas into your daily routine, you're not only supporting your kidneys but also improving your overall health. Your body has an amazing ability to heal itself when given the right tools, and nature provides many of those tools in the form of herbs and plants. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay empowered, and we'll see you in the next video.